Business Environment MCQs Part 1. Online business is also called as dash business. Option A e-business, option B business, option C professional, option D occupation. The correct answer is option A e-business. Online business is also called as e-business. Full form of IMF. Option A International Market Flow, option B International Monetary Fund, option C Indian Money Fund, option D International Market Fund. The correct answer is option B International Monetary Fund. What is the full form of IBRD? Option A Indian Bank Regional Development, option B International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, option C Industrial Bank Regional Development, option D Ideological Bank Regional Development. Correct answer is option B International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. The full form of IBRD is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Business environment is dash. Option A flexible, option B constant, option C variable, option B inflexible. The correct answer is option A flexible. Business environment is flexible. Every business requires some form of dash. Option A investment, option B gambling, option C speculation, option D occasion. The correct answer is option A investment. Every business requires some form of investment. Mention one objective of new industrial policy. Option A absence of suitable policy of export. Option B initiate rapid economic growth to raise the standard of living. Option C reduce unemployment and poverty level question. Option D absence of incentives. The correct answer is option B initiate rapid economic growth to raise the standard of living. Mention one component of internal business environment. Option A mission and objective, option B fixed income, option C risk, option D safe. The correct answer is option A mission and objective. The one component of internal business environment is mission and objective. Write one function of capital market. Fixed income, risky, raising long-term fund, option D safe. The correct answer is option C raising long-term fund. The one function of capital market is raising long-term funds. The Dunkle Draft of the GATT was proposed in the year option A 1981, option B 1992, option C 1990, option D 1991. The correct answer is option D 1991. Write one cause of industrial drop backwardness in northeast region of India. Lack of management, option B lack of technique, option C lack of support, option D lack of skilled manpower. The correct answer is option D lack of skilled manpower. What is the full form of GATT? Good Asset Trade and Traffic, option B General Agreement on Traffic and Trade, option C Gadget Agreement on Trade and Traffic, option D Generalized Asset on Trade and Traffic. The correct answer is option B General Agreement on Trade and Traffic. Mention one drawback of privatization. Option A flexibility, option B natural monopoly, option C efficiency, option D service quality. The correct answer is option B natural monopoly. Rightful form of MRTP. Option A market representative and tax practices. Option B market rate and trade practices. Option C monopolist and restrictive trade practices. Option D making rating tax practices. The correct answer is option C monopolist and restrictive trade practices. Dash have a certain goals, objective, mission and strategy to achieve them. Option A tradition, option B culture, option C group, option D organization. The correct answer is option D organization. Organization have a certain goals, objective, mission and strategy to achieve them. What is the head? Where is the head office or S of SEFTA situated? Option A Kathmandu, option B Bhutan, option C Maldives, option D Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option A Kathmandu. The head office of SEFTA situated is Kathmandu. Goods which are used by producer for the further production are called as option A trader, option B distributor, option C producer, option D consumer. The correct answer is option C producer. Goods which are used by producer for the further production are called as producer. Dash is an economic activity. Option A NGO, option B company, option C business, option D government. The correct answer is option C business. Business is an economic activity. Dash is the main objective of business. Option A loss, option B profit, option C expenses, option D debt. The correct answer is option B profit. Profit is the main objective of business. Mention one hindrance of economic growth of India. Increasing efficiency, tourism, education sector, option D population growth. The correct answer is option D population growth. Population growth is one of the hindrances of economic growth of India. Micro involvement deals with dash. Option is supplier, option B government, option C economic involvement, option D consumer. The correct answer is option A supplier. Micro involvement deals with supplier. Environment is the dash part of a business. Option A social, option B important, option C inseparable, option D culture. The correct answer is option C inseparable. Environment is the inseparable part of a business. In which year was the IFM set up? Option A 1942, option B 1948, option B 1945, option B 1956. The correct answer is option C 1945. IMF was set up in 1945. Dash involvement include demographic involvement. Option E micro, option B macro, option C culture, option D business. The correct answer is option B macro. Macro involvement includes demographic involvement. Dash involvement is beyond the control of the business. Option A internal, option B external, option C macro, option C macro. The correct answer is option D external. External involvement is beyond the control of the business. Business create dash. Option A demand, option B supply, option C trend, option D utility. The correct answer is option D utility. Business creates utility. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for the next part. Thank you.